welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. As you can see, my new rug just arrived. I have had this rug in my wish cart on Amazon for probably about 7, maybe 9 months. And every time I go to order it, it would be out of stock or they would jack the price up. So I was finally able to get it at a reasonable price. I believe I paid like $231. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to say the name of the company, but it's called SAFAVIEH. And they have beautiful home decor. This is a 8x10. And let's get it unwrapped and let's get it laid down. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. It looks better than it did online. And let's get it rolled out. Oh, pretty. Very nice and thick rug. You don't need any type of padding underneath unless you wanted to add some. Hopefully in a couple of days, where it's rolling over on this end, we'll lay down. All right, so this is the rug again. I'll go down so you can get a kind of close up on it. And it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. I don't have to put socks on when I come in this part. And that's like my little entryway. But I am changing up my decor. I have a lot of stuff in here right now. Still trying to figure out, like I said, what I'm going to be doing for this area. And still have to get florals for that vase there. This is beautiful. And just, you know, get everything straightened up. But the fireplace, slowly but surely, I am, you know, getting the house together. It takes time and it takes money. So just wanted to get on and let you see my new rug that I purchased. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping over. And don't forget to give me a like. It really helps my channel. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And I'll be back soon. You know, I'm pacing myself to try to get back in a regular routine to upload videos because I really truly miss you guys. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.